What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For those seeking to economize without compromising on quality, we've handpicked the Sunny and Health Fitness Slim Walking Pad. We firmly believe this is the top budget-friendly under-desk treadmill you can find in 2024. Our preference for this treadmill is based on two primary factors. First and foremost, it performed equally well on both carpeted and hardwood surfaces. Secondly, the 1.5 peak HP motor endured up to 6 hours of uninterrupted use during notoriously lengthy multi-company meetings. Besides, the Walkstation Slim is astonishingly simple to relocate from one area to another. The included transport wheels allow you to effortlessly move the machine to your living room for an enjoyable TV session when walking. Another aspect that piqued our interest was the machine's automatic shut-off function. If you step off the deck while the Walkstation Slim is in operation, it'll halt automatically. This feature enhances the safety of the Walkstation, making it secure for children and pets, even when you have to take a breather and forget to switch off the device. However, it's worth pointing out that the emergency safety clip might be somewhat short for some individuals, but those around 5'4" in height are unlikely to encounter this issue. Weight capacity is another factor to consider. With a limit of 220 pounds, it's not the most inclusive under-desk treadmill. On conventional treadmills, we usually anticipate a weight capacity of around 300 pounds. However, considering its extremely reasonable price, we're willing to overlook this drawback. Furthermore, the large 14x5 digital monitor allows you to track your time, speed, calories burned, steps, and distance at any given moment. The remote control is another notable feature that enables you to comfortably modify the exercise intensity to suit your personal needs and preferences. The product also boasts shock absorption capabilities. The treadmill's built-in shock absorbers are designed to ease the impact on your knees, feet, and joints. Energy efficiency is another significant aspect of this treadmill. If the machine remains idle for over 10 minutes, the smart energy-saving technology will switch it to energy-saving mode, a definite plus point. The subsequent product on our review roster is the Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. In our judgment, it's the best value-for-money under-desk treadmill obtainable in 2024. Economical, well-constructed, and perfectly suitable for a home gym, we hold the Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill in high regard. One of the standout features that'll win over many users is its versatility. It can be used beneath a desk while working, or elevated and locked in place for regular use. This dual-purpose functionality certainly enhances the appeal of this compact 70-pound treadmill. Despite its weight, it's surprisingly easy to maneuver. However, if you have children and plan to store it upright, we strongly advise securing it to the wall for safety reasons. The Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill arrives neatly packaged with an additional box of components and tools. Setting it up is a breeze and should take no longer than 5 minutes. It operates quietly, notably more so than many other treadmills on the market. Ideal for light walking, power walking, and gentle running, this treadmill also includes a secure holder for your mobile phone and offers Bluetooth speaker connectivity. But what truly sets this treadmill apart is its user-friendly design. There's no assembly required. Simply unbox and start using it immediately. There's no complex monitor to navigate. Just switch it on and use the provided remote control to begin your workout. It's one of the most straightforward, easy-to-operate treadmills we've reviewed. Moreover, it doesn't have the appearance of a budget treadmill. It feels sturdier than you'd expect at this price point. Although it won't replicate a gym experience, it certainly won't feel flimsy or cheap like many treadmills in this category. One common downside of most under-desk or 2-in-1 treadmills is the short running belt. The Go Plus's belt measures 40 inches, which is quite compact. While this keeps the treadmill size manageable, it limits comfortable running to users up to 5'6". Users up to 6 feet can use it for gentle running, requiring a shorter stride, but for more intense workouts, a longer belt would be necessary. The treadmill's maximum weight capacity is stated as 275 pounds, but we recommend keeping it under 220. Users above 250 pounds should ideally opt for a treadmill with a motor of at least 3 horsepower. Introducing the Lifespan TR1200 DT3, which we consider the best luxury under-desk treadmill on the market in 2024. Particularly suited for individuals with standing desks, the Lifespan TR1200 DT3 offers an excellent blend of functionality and comfort. The treadmill features a table-mounted Bluetooth console that is user-friendly and simple to navigate. Its spacious, comfortable deck is ideal for all users, including those on the heavier side. Although it comes with a higher price tag, it's still less expensive than its TR5000 counterpart. The product supports a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. One of the most impressive aspects of the TR1200 DT3 is its quiet operation, facilitated by smart step technology. The Bluetooth console is not only easy to operate, but also conveniently accessible from a standing desk. If you're a frequent user or prefer intense walking sessions and have a large standing desk, this under-desk treadmill could be your perfect match. The aesthetic appeal of the TR1200 DT3 is truly unique, with dimensions of 160 centimeters in length, 72 centimeters in width, and 18 centimeters in height. This solid midnight matte machine comes equipped with 2 front wheels. It arrives almost ready to use straight out of the box. Simply move it to your preferred location and it's good to go. The only assembly required is connecting the console to the treadmill. However, given its bulkiness and weight, storing it can be quite a challenge unless you have ample space. In terms of design, the TR1200 DT3 ticks all the boxes for a walking-specific treadmill. It doesn't feature an incline, as per ergonomist recommendations, to prevent unnecessary stress on your back and joints. The maximum speed is 4 miles per hour, suitable for a brisk walk or light run. The console is packed with numerous handy features. It can be attached to the treadmill or operated via Bluetooth, providing flexibility in placement. It includes a built-in step counter that helps you keep track of your daily steps, aiming for the recommended 10,000. It also records standard metrics such as time, distance, and calories. You can input your height and weight for a more precise calorie and step tracking. Next on our review list is the WalkingPad S1 Folding Treadmill, which we've chosen as the best runner-up under-desk treadmill for 2024. This treadmill is an excellent choice for those in search of a compact, space-saving solution. Users have praised its streamlined design, easy installation process, and its ability to collapse down for simple storage. One of the key features of the WalkingPad S1 Folding Treadmill is its impressive speed range, which reaches up to 3.72 miles per hour. The belt speed can be manually adjusted in increments of 0.5, providing greater control over your workout intensity. While the accompanying app is relatively basic, it serves its purpose by enabling you to manage and unlock higher speeds. The WalkingPad S1 stands out from the crowd due to its unique folding feature. It can be folded in half and rolled smoothly in and out of confined spaces, such as under a table, couch, or bed, thanks to the 2 rollers on the bottom of the unit. Moreover, the high-precision pressure sensor embedded in the walking belt allows for speed control at 3 different levels: high, medium, or slow. This is achieved by stepping in the front, acceleration zone, middle, uniform speed zone, or tail, deceleration zone. Equipped with a wear-resistant anti-slip walking belt and a multi-layered structure designed to minimize noise, the WalkingPad S1 ensures a comfortable walking or jogging experience. Whether at home or in the office, you can exercise without disturbing your family, neighbors, colleagues, or even your own peace and quiet. However, it's crucial to note that its maximum weight capacity is 220 pounds. The WalkingPad S1 comes with several safety features, including child lock protection, overload protection, automatic standby mode, and speed limit functions for beginners. This makes it a reliable and secure choice for all users. By connecting to the Fit app or using the LED light on the control panel, you can track your workout data and progress. This feature motivates and encourages regular exercise. Additionally, the treadmill comes with free installation and offers 2 operating modes, Plus and Play, further enhancing its user-friendly appeal. Finally, we are thrilled to introduce the champion of our review list and the title holder of the best under-desk treadmill available in 2024, the EgoFit Walker Plus M1T. This model is an upgraded version of the popular EgoFit Walker Pro M1 treadmill, boasting several advanced features that make it stand out from the crowd. The EgoFit Walker Plus M1T is designed with a collapsible handlebar that provides extra security while jogging, without compromising its compact shape that fits seamlessly under any standing desk. Its patented sinking motor design not only minimizes its footprint, but also maximizes the walking area, enhancing your comfort during workouts. With an improved top speed of 3.7 miles per hour when the handlebars are upright, you can easily intensify your workout and break into a sweat faster. The treadmill offers both app mobile control and wireless remote control options for easy operation. Additionally, maneuvering wheels at the bottom make the lightweight treadmill easy to move around. One of the key highlights of the EgoFit Walker Plus M1T is its LCD monitor that tracks every step you take towards your daily goal of 10,000 steps. Despite its powerful performance, the treadmill operates quietly, generating less than 70 decibels of noise even at maximum speed. This ensures that your work, reading, or other activities are not disrupted. You can even participate in a conference call while leisurely strolling on your treadmill without causing any disturbance on the line. This treadmill is robustly built and capable of supporting a maximum user weight of 242.5 pounds. It's a portable treadmill designed to last for years, as attested by many satisfied users. The EgoFit Walker Plus M1T is more than just a treadmill. It's a full-body home gym that helps you achieve your daily exercise and weight loss goals, boost your health, build muscle, or simply increase your energy levels at work. One of the innovative features of this treadmill is its 5% incline design, which allows you to intensify your workout without increasing the duration or speed. This multifunctional treadmill is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, whether you're working, relaxing, reading a book, or watching TV. In terms of upgrades, the third-generation EgoFit Walker Plus M1T comes with a longer and wider belt, measuring 26 by 38 inches, providing you with more room to enjoy your walk or run. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 Under Desk Treadmills in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.